be done. When the sun is out of sight, so is my peace of mind. Why can't I have a little fun? Little fun. My worries should be put aside. Put aside. Oh, I'm vibing to a song that I don't know. I shouldn't be.
Okay, so nagpapalagay si Alan ng lotion sa kanyang tattoo. Yes, may tattoo po siya. Ayan siya, oh. Match kami. Pero 4 yung sa kanya. Yung butterfly niya, 4. Sa akin, 2 lang. Kasi, masakit. Ay, Alan, oh, it's peeling, anak. So, ayan na siya. Nag-heal na. Yung tattoo ni Janjan, malapit na rin mag-heal. Is it itchy? Okay. Ayan. So, ayan na. Nalagyan ko na ng lotion. Kami po ay maglalayas na mag-iina habang si Rani tulog kasi masama yung kanyang pakiramdam ngayong araw na to. Kaya hindi siya pwedeng sumama. Doon, tulog. We are here at Costco. Eggs. Kailangan na rin namin ng table napkin. Ayan. Maganda lang dito kasi pag namili ka, matagal bago maubos, like good enough stock. Hindi yung lagi kang pupunta sa tindahan para bumili. If you want that one, just get it. Anong gusto mo? Sana mayroon na sila ng aking sugar. Wala pa din. So, kukuha na tayo nito. Yeah, oh yeah, that's the one we're getting. But I need to check that soup right there. What? The tonkotsu. That one, 7.39. Oh. Get one. It's good. Go closer. No, yeah, that one. Parang masarap to. Yan o. 8.99. Pero ano kayang laman nito? Okay. So, meron siyang lychee, mango. It has a different, ano anak, flavor. Can you check what's that?
It was at Amy's house.
We'll get one. Masarap yata to nako with boba pearl center. So what is this? Oh, ito yung lychee. So ito mango, lychee at saka passion fruit. Mukha naman masarap. Mukha lang. Pero baka hindi naman. So we'll see. Oh. Tip. Okay. Did you get one, Alan? Oh, what else? Wala na? Are we done?
Do you know the name?
There's It's too late.
Hey, like Miss.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, come on anak. You need the card, boy. Ayan, nakapila sila dyan sa ano, kasi gusto daw nilang kumain ng ice cream. Ewan ko, mag-ice cream, lamig-lamig. Well, actually, hindi naman malamig na malamig, pero okay lang.
3 hours later.